Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. It was a very good week for the Philippine Stock Exchange. PSE index went up from 6,906.86 last October 8, 2021, to 7,213.46 this October 15, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a 4.44% increase in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went up from 705.25k pesos to 730.32k pesos, or a 3.55% increase in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went up from 104.43k pesos to 129.5k pesos. This is a record-breaking performance for our magical stocks. It beat the previous record last week 50 of 111k pesos. This jump to 129.5k profit is record-breaking indeed. We are looking at selling our first batch this week and in the coming weeks. We will further discuss this, but before we proceed with our discussion, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We already sold 2 of the 5 first batches of magical stock. These are LTG and DMC, both having a profit of 36% and 47% respectively. We may sell GT Cap and SECB this coming week or in the coming weeks. MEG will stay since we are still having a buy signal. We will monitor its prices, and if our target got hit, we will sell it too. We also screened 5 stocks and we are choosing 2 stocks for the October 2021 investment. The 5 candidates are: 1. VLL or Vista Land and Lifescapes, Incorporated. 2. LTG or LT Group, Incorporated. 3. FGen or First Gen Corporation. 4. MEG or Megaworld Corporation. And 5. RLC or Robinson's Land Corporation. Of the 5 stocks, we are choosing LTG and RLC. We already bought LTG and we are looking to buy RLC in the coming days. The investment here is the capital plus the profit we gained in the previous selling. We will apply the 2-2-1 strategy this time. Meaning, we will buy 2 stocks this October 2021, 2 this coming November 2021, and 1 in December 2021. We will still use the 5 stocks per quarter. To summarize the performance of our investment for week 53, here's the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is SCC gaining 20.88%, while the least performer is FGen losing -2.07%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 12.25% this October 15, 2021, coming from 10.87% last October 8, 2021. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 26.05% this October 15, 2021, coming from 26.29% last October 8, 2021. Our third batch is below the market with a gap of -0.51% this October 15, 2021, coming from 2.86% last October 8, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 4.07% this October 15, 2021, coming from 3.77% last October 8, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 33.72%, coming from 27.18%. The second batch is gaining by 26.19%, coming from 22.17%. The third batch is gaining by 11.92%, coming from 10.51%. The fourth batch is gaining by 8.4%, coming from 3.67%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 730.32k pesos, equivalent to 21.55%, coming from 17.38%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch, and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of magical stocks and the selling of the first batch. Quote, "The secret to being successful from a trading perspective is to have an indefatigable and an undying and unquenchable thirst for information and knowledge." Unquote. Paul Tudor Jones. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.